Good morning, class 7th. Today it is your SST class. Now, today we are going to start Geography chapter first. The title of this chapter is Environment. Environment is a very popular word nowadays, and almost all the people use this word at global level, because in many of the conferences the term used are it is the matter of discussion, or environmental issues are the matter of discussion. So, what is the meaning of environment? The term environment has been derived from a French word environia. Environia means to surround. Environia means to surround. Whatever the things surrounded us. Environment means surroundings in which the organism lives. Environment means the surroundings in which the organisms live. Environment includes everything on, in, and around the earth. Environment includes everything in, on, and around the earth, that is natural or man-made. That is natural or artificial. Artificial means man-made, human-made. Environment is our basic life support system. Without environment, we can't imagine the life. It comprises the unique conditions on the earth which allow life to sustain and to make the blue planet different from other planets. Blue planets, the earth is also known as blue planets because its 70% part is covered with saline water. Our surroundings include biotic factors like human beings, plants, animals, microbes, etc., and abiotic factors such as light, water, soil, etc. Thus, thus the place, people, things, and nature that surround any living organism is called environment. Whatever the geography deals with the various components of the environment and the interrelationship between human beings and their environment. Geographical elements are classified into two broad groups: natural elements and human made elements. So, what are the components of the environment? Environment is a combination of natural and human made phenomena. The natural environment has a vast variety of landforms and life forms. The natural environment has two components: biotic and abiotic. Biotic, in which includes all sorts of living organisms like plants, animals, insects, microbes, and etc. Abiotic component, which includes all physical or non-physical living organisms such as land, soil, water, air, etc. Human environment may have positive or negative impacts on natural environment. The two types of environment interacts with each other and change in course of time from place to place. Thereafter, natural environment. The natural environment is comprised of land, water, air, plants, and animals. It includes biotic and abiotic components. The, there are four major domains of natural environment: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. There are domains of there are four major domains of natural environment: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. Let us learn. So, we have to explain all these four domains like lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere in our next video. Thank you.